Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Gina the Filipina in USA. How you all doing? Hopefully you all guys fun, all everything is good. And also nga pala, good morning guys. Today ay mag-unboxing ako ng aking pinili sa online. May binili ako sa online. Dito sa US, everything is be online. So, ito guys, papakita ko sa inyo ang aking binili. So, ayan siya. So, ito siya. Ayan. Did you see? We will see. Ayan. Ano ang aking binili. Guys, my favorite. Guys, ang aking paborito. My Hello Kitty pink, guys. Dumating na rin siya. So, ito pala siya ay good for the Florida jeans. On OMG, guys. Tingnan nyo, Hello Kitty hoodie. Yes! I finally arrived. I've been waiting this one like 1 week and a half. It's forever to deliver this. So, yes, you guys will see. You will see. I will show you guys. Ito pala siya. Bubuksan ko muna siya. So, unboxing. Sana hindi malaki. So guys, ayan siya. Ito ay binili ko sa Forever 21. So tingnan natin guys. Parang malaki. Pero maganda siya guys pang airplane. Kasi mostly sa airplane. So parang malaki guys. So you will see. Ayan. Sana siya malaki. Lang haba. Ay, lang haba nito guys. So, ayan din siya. So guys, papakita ko sa inyo what is look like. I'll be back.
A few moments later.
So, ayan guys, I'll be back. So, this is look like. So, hindi naman siya masyadong mahaba. Ano lang siya. Sa height ko So, ganito siya. So, ganito siya. So, ayan. So, gano'n ang cute niya. Guys, so, let me know guys if you like it. My Hello Kitty. Alright guys. Thank you. So guys, thank you for today. It's time to go to work. I don't have a Sunday day off this time. Today I am cooking some chicken adobo for my lunch at work. So in the morning, so this is I'm gonna cooking adobo for them guys. So have a look like the chicken. I will mix and then let's see what is gonna do. Frozen lang niya. Frozen lang. Keep frozen. So okay.
A few moments later.
Hello guys, I am back. Now I am ready to go to work today. So this is my outfit for the day because the pinky day today. So pink ba yan? So papakita ko sa iyo yung aking lunch. Guys, ang aking lunch. So ayan ang aking bread, rice and adobo is there. So that's the one I make earlier. So that's the one. My backpack for go to work because I have to go on. So ayan guys. Ito. So guys, Primark is the one shopping clothes in Philadelphia. This Primark is from Europe, so it's based in Europe, but we have it here in America now, in Philadelphia too. So guys, look what I bought. So this is Barbie. My Barbie socks, guys. So ayan. So ayan siya. Oh, so alam niyo naman ang paborito. Pink. Tapos, oh guys, Hello Kitty shirt with pajama. Ano na siya, one set. So, one set na siya. So pajama set. So, ayan. Itong t-shirt ko to, pwede ko itong gawing regular clothes eh. Pero, gusto ko yung kitty. So, guys, alam niyo naman, love Hello Kitty. So, ayan, ang aking amin. So, how much is this? $17. It's like, almost like, 17. And it's like, almost, like that. So, guys, so, ayan, ang aking Hello Kitty of the day. So, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully, guys, you enjoy my video, this episode. So, thank you for your help. I appreciate helping me a lot. So, guys, please don't forget to hit that bell.
A few moments later.
Hello, guys. I am back from work now. It's Sunday, fun day. So, yun, guys, kauwi ko lang galing sa work. So, ito, nagre-relax na kasi mamaya magsha-shower ako. Magsha-shower ako kasi ma-relax or baka mag-bathtub ako kasi ang sakit ng mga braso ko, para akong binugbog. Ang sakit, putik niya. Ang sakit ng ano ko, ay nako, ito, makulimlim ngayon, hinihintay ko na lang ang asawa. Hintay ko na lang yung aking asawa dumating. So, ito ngayon, ako ay nag-i-edit ng aking video. So, guys, grabe kapagod. Sunday talaga is the worst day. O nga pala, pili mag-training ng manager. Kakaluka. Lagi na lang akong napipik lagi. Sabi ng supervisor ko, bakit they always pick you? I don't know why. To manager I trained today. Diba guys, ang weird. Never ako nag-training ng manager. Kahit nasa Pinas pa ako dito, manager, iti-training mo. Tapos utusan mo. Kaya sabi ko, hindi ako komportable mag-training ng mas mataas sa akin kasi nakakahiya mag-utos. Wag ko ba siya sa ano ko? Wala siyang pakalam. Kailangan ko rin i-training. Ay, naku. Ayun, guys. So, ayan ang ano ko sa today. Alright, guys. I'll be back. I'm gonna take a shower. See you. Hello, guys. I am back. This is my today is 5th day. 6, 7. No. Today is my 6th day, guys. So, I'm working 7 days. So, now we are. I have 1 more days. Tomorrow, I'm gonna have a day off. I have only 1 day off. And then, I'm back to work again. I think that 3 days, 4 days, or something like that. The good thing, too, I have a day off at 3 days off on 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. Yay! Finally! I need the 3 days off. So, guys, this is my daily life in the US. Go to work, go home, go to work, go home. So, papakita ko sa inyo. I'll show you guys what I have in my bag. So, ayan. There's my tubig kasi ang init talaga. Lagay ko lang siya dyan. And my Chinese bread. I love Chinese bread. And yeah, that's it. And then, so guys, yan ang outfit ko for the day. Kasi ayoko, sabi nga, kasi dahil sa summer na ayoko mag-jeans. Kasi ang init. Kailangan short and dress. Pero ang init talaga. So, ayan, ito pala, pinipirang ko na yung aking asawa ng food. So, this is food, is adobo and rice. I put in a microwave, so when it's ready time to eat, he just gonna microwave this food. So, I see you later, guys. Thank you again for all your help, support of me and my husband. Thank you so much. And also, don't forget to hit that bell button and that bell. Hit that bell so you can notify that I have a new video upload. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye, love you guys. Hello guys, I am back. This is today. It's my 7th day working straight. Here's my asawa, Slaney Traveler, Gina Filipina. So guys, my asawa gave me a surprise today. He loved me surprise.
Surprise!
Look, guys, look what he bought. Primark. You guys, Primark is one of the European brands in Europe. So it's like a clothes brand.
What's the name of that shop in the Philippines that has clothes that's like Primark? Surplus?
Surplus, yeah. It's kind of like surplus, guys. Surplus. So this is my lahat. Ooh, look.
Ta-da!
Look at that. I got more Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty, Hello Kitty.
Melody and Hello Kitty and the
Kamori.
friends. Kamori. Not Kamori.
Corey?
Cory.
I don't know.
I don't know too.
You know more than me.
Oh, guys, look at that. So,
Matching set.
matching set is that, guys, is always have a located every week in Primark.
Chaka.
Ooh. What else? Another white shirt of Hello Kitty. Look, it's a crop top. So this is good for the print, guys. So that's my husband bought him. He loved me, right? Always loved me. So guys, I'm gonna wear that and then I'm gonna show you that one day. Okay. Alright guys, I see you next time. Bye bye.